guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I cannot express enough how excited I am to be filming today's video. It is gonna be the backyard makeover transformation video, which I feel like I have been hinting towards this video for so long, and the fact that it's finally here, I'm just so excited. We are gonna be turning our backyard into an oasis, but also a fun backyard for the kids. I'm literally thrilled. I cannot wait. I'm gonna be walking you all through the entire process from start to finish on how we turn our backyard into our dream backyard. I'm actually filming this after everything has already transpired, and you guys, the end result looks awesome. I'm so obsessed with it. We literally are outside every single day now. It just looks so good. So yeah, you guys, I feel like I've been teasing long enough. If you want to see how we go from, I don't know why the phrase drab to fab came into my mind, even though I never say that, but I just felt like it was appropriate for this situation. If you want to see it go from drab, kind of scary, a little spooky backyard to awesome, amazing oasis, then please just keep on watching. But before we get into today's video, I want to thank our sponsor, a smart home. You guys know I have to bleep it out. I don't want your device to be set off. I know in my life, Rob has been working in the office. I'm home alone a lot of the times with the baby. So it's really important for me to be aware of what's going on outside of the home, right outside our front door, just in case. I feel like you can never be too cautious, and safety is definitely my #1 priority, especially being in this new house. I want to make sure I'm good and I'm aware. So I'm able to hook up a indoor or outdoor camera. Rob actually set these up. We have one in our backyard as well as our front yard, and it's awesome because I can connect it to my app and get a live visual of what's going on right outside my door. I love the live feature because I can just click it on my phone. We have an Echo Show 10, which is really handy because I'm able to swipe over super easy and see live footage of what's outside my house. It's very simple to set up. All you need to do is just add a device, scan your camera, and then log in and get started. You're able to actually screen record the outside of your home or the inside and get motion detecting alerts sent straight to your phone if someone's right outside your door. Another reason why I love the live view is because I'm able to actually listen in as well as see exactly what's going on in real time. And there's a feature on there where you can actually speak and talk back. So yeah, you guys, I highly recommend this. So I will have all the information linked down below in the description box. Again, thank you so much to the Smart Home for sponsoring today's video. So anyway, with all of that being said, if you want to see the backyard transformation makeover, you guys, I'm literally giddy. I couldn't sleep last night. I'm so excited. Then please just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm doing voiceover. I feel very official, but I wanted to show you the start of the backyard and kind of what we're working with here. It's a little bit of a hot mess, but I feel like that's what makes this video so exciting, is because it started off rough and then it's gonna turn out beautiful. So I'm basically just showing you the furniture that we have. It's looking crazy. We've got kid toys everywhere. My basic plan, what I want to do is turn this space into kind of like a little oasis patio area for Rob and I, and then the backyard turn it into kind of like a fun place for the kids. So I've been showing you all kind of pictures of what we want to do, but as far as the landscaping, my plan is to add bricks around the border, add mulch, hydrangeas, just go all out and make it look as pretty as we can. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to show you a before picture, I guess a before video clip of what the backyard is looking like so the transformation can be epic. I'm so excited. Let's do this. All right, you guys, so today is day 1 of backyard oasis makeover. Rob's over here building us a very sophisticated, very fancy
flower box.
A flower box. We have some new stuff over here. All this is from Target. I will link it down below, but we've got pillows and we have a new rug. We're gonna get started. Yay. Okay, now are you gonna help me?
What's up, guys? Here to do a little unboxing and build here of a coffee table we're gonna be putting outside on our patio deck. I'm here in the sunroom right now. Nala, you wanna come say hello? No? Just wanna sit in the sun? That's cool. Yee. Oh no. Oh, well, that's not good. Oh, table's broken.
Okay, you guys, so it is day 3, I think, and we are starting on the Playhouse. Rob's ready to roll. Yeah. We've got all our equipment in there, and it looks pretty intense. It looks like a lot of little pieces. So the key is just keeping them organized and separating them. And then that way, when we put them together, we know like all the 1s are together, all the 2s are together, that sort of thing. And it's got a weird smell. Do you smell that?
Yeah, it smells like pine. Like legit pine. Here.
Is this gonna make me sneeze? Y'all, I have allergies like no other. Can you imagine if I'm allergic to this thing? Got all this stuff laid out. About to get into it. Fingers crossed it doesn't take us all night, but we shall see. Okay guys, so surprise, we have lounge chairs. Well, really it's like one chair unit put together, but there's 2 seats. How cute is this? I cannot get over this. I think it's adorable. I think it's gonna look awesome outside next to the Playhouse. You can't really see it right now, but I'll go out there in a minute. I made a mistake. Rob filmed this whole entire thing, hence the tripod, and I went to go format the card on my camera and it deleted everything. So all the footage of Rob making this is deleted, but I mean, you can see like he made it, he did his thing. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you the Playhouse. I think it looks awesome. It looks really, really good. I don't know if I showed you or if I got a clip of it like completely done, but basically this is what it looks like. I think it looks really, really good. Rob did such a good job. So this is kind of the front, and the side over here has a little chalkboard, a little grill, which is super cute. A random light bulb. Archie put that there. It's so cute, you guys, and the babies love it. So far, so good. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to do a little haul. This is a haul for the baby's playroom. I got a bunch of stuff, or playroom, for their playhouse. I got a bunch of stuff for their playhouse. I just want to walk you all through kind of what I picked out. So the first thing are these pillows, and then this like tribal kind of print. And then I got these 2 pieces of artwork. I got a wreath for the door because, I mean, come on. Okay, the next thing I got, because this is a playhouse, I wanted to keep it fun. I got this wind chime. Okay, and then more fun stuff. I got this little bird house, and then I got these rugs, either to go on the outside, maybe this one on the outside of the house, and then this one on the inside. Okay, and then I got this humongous Jenga. I guess it's not humongous. I mean, it's pretty big. So it looks like this. It's just got like the black and white pieces. I thought this could be fun. So yeah, that's everything we got, you guys. This is such a mess.
Isn't it funny? We came to that. I thought I won you over, but you were holding back. Isn't it funny? You could not care less. How you took those words back, now I'm just a mess. I'm running.
Okay, you guys, so it is actually the next day and we are gonna move on and fill up the Playhouse. I cannot wait to show you what the Playhouse looks like. We painted it. We painted the lounge chairs. It looks awesome. So now we are going to fill it up with some play food and decorations. And I feel like today is the fun part. Yesterday and the day before, Dada, it was his time to shine. And now the decorating and making it like playful and cute. Yeah, he is at work. It is my time to shine. So are you ready to go?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Hey guys, so this is the update on the Playhouse and the lounge chairs. I think these are so cute, so adorable. Archie's having a great time in here. We ended up painting the roof black the hardware black, the sink, and the faucet, which we have to screw the faucet back in. But Rob added this plywood flooring down here just to give them like something sturdy to step on. Whew, you guys, this was definitely a labor of love. I will say that. Labor of love to the 100th degree. So this is day 1. This is the first day that they have been working on the gazebo out here, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it makes the space look so much bigger than what it is. I really, really like this. So basically it is just these wooden beams. I mean, you can see it. Wooden beams with some 2x4s going across, and I love it. So this is the roof material, the clear, what is the name of this stuff? I don't know what it's called, but it's basically clear, and it's gonna look really nice on there. So it'll be nice because the water will be able to like trickle off this way and kind of roll off that roof. So yeah, we are making progress.
Over water for the first time in years.
Okay, you guys, so the sunroom looks crazy. I don't know if I told you, but we this is what we're legit going to do. This looks insane. I cannot. Basically, all of this stuff is gonna go out on the patio. Okay, not this. This is for RG's room makeover, a sneak peek. The rest of this is going out on the patio. So this is the furniture, and if you've been watching for a while, you know that this furniture was in the sunroom for so long. I thought this was gonna stay there. I thought it was gonna be a great fit, but I wanna switch that up a little bit, and this is actually gonna go outside. The other patio furniture, God bless Rob, that's all I have to say. He put it together, he took it apart, and returned it. Thank God we were able to return it and get our money back, so that's awesome. But anyway, I think it's gonna match so much more. That's what we're gonna do. That's the plan. Okay, guys, so it is day 900. I don't even know what, but we're still working on the backyard. I know you see that ladder out there. That's how you know things are about to get real. Right, Rob? But I just wanted to do a quick little haul from Homegoods, a Homegoods haul. I got these cute little cups. I thought these would be perfect to bring outside for the kids to have like fruit or snack. And then I also got these coasters, very earthy, very natural. Guys, only $7 from Homegoods. I was like, yes, sign me up for these. Okay, you guys, the time has come. The time is here. Finally, I'm going to reveal the backyard. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. It has been a long process, but I'm really excited. I wish Rob was here to kind of do the reveal with me because he obviously had a huge part in this. But since he is back in the office, like he's not able to be on camera as much, but he says, I hope y'all like it. I hope y'all appreciate it. And with his drill, he says, give it a thumbs up. So without further ado, if you want to see our backyard oasis / fun place for the kids, then please just keep on watching. What is this, an intro? I can't. All right, you guys, it's only right that we do a countdown. Let's get a countdown going. Time for the reveal in 3, 2, 1. You guys, it's so simple, but I feel like it made such a huge difference. I cannot stop smiling. Let me come out here and show you what it's looking like. So this is the backyard patio area. I think it looks so good, but honestly, you guys, the tile floors really just set the whole thing off. I think it looks so good. This was such a good call doing tile. It looks so much more finished than just having the concrete slab that we did have. And okay, so let me do like a quick little overview. We have this huge container here. We have like all the kids' toys in, and I felt like this looked like very aesthetic, but it's just like something nice to keep all the toys in. We have a little side table. Our couch is from World Market. All the pillows are from Target, except that one's from Homegoods. I'll try to link as much as I can. We have this tree here that's literally been with us since, I don't even know, since the beginning. I'll just say that. It's been with us since the beginning. And then I have this planter from Homegoods. This little basket here is It's just here for the time being because I needed to put this cord in because it's connected to the lights. You guys, that's another thing. I kind of want to redo this situation right here with the lights. I just need to get a different cord, but you'll see we have our ring camera right there, and then we just have our string lights. Kind of wish they were stretched out a little bit more, but it's fine. He did them for us, so like I didn't want to complain. But you guys, I really love the gazebo. I think it looks awesome. I love how we can still get sunlight through, but it blocks, like if it's raining, we obviously like have a roof. It's that clear plastic type of roof. I don't know what it's called, but I absolutely love it. We have a World Market chair, a little side table over there, and then this little poof ottoman seat that I got from Homegoods, and I really like this, you guys. It's very simple, which is what I wanted, and I think it really looks great up against the house. But speaking of against the house, we have more to show. We got our landscaping done, and we actually have bricks now. We have bricks edging the landscaping, we got mulch, and we have hydrangeas. We actually have mulch and brick going around all the way around our house on all sides, all four sides, I guess. And I just love the edging. I think it looks great. So if we come over here, you can see more of it. We've just got a bunch of hydrangeas, different colors. I'm sure a lot of you all will be proud of me. And yes, I tried to get all white, but they didn't have it. So RG and Brielle have been having such a good time watering the flowers. It's so cute. So yeah, you guys, we literally have it all the way around the house. And I love it. I cannot wait for them to grow even more and to really blossom and bloom. But right now they look very cute and small. And yeah, you guys, I love it. So this is the backyard up against the house. And then if you come around here, we have the kids' playhouse and lounge chair area. You guys, I cannot. This is like their part, their little oasis. I think it's so cute. So it's pretty messy in there, I'm not even gonna lie, because they play with it. Like it has been getting used. So that's the point, right? I try to make it cute and pretty and like aesthetic, but the reality of the situation is that it's a little bit of a hot mess in here. They play rough, they play hard, but they have a lot of fun. So we have their house numbers 2 and 4. RG is the 4th, and Briella was born on the 2nd. So we have 2 and we have 4 for the babies. We have the seashell that I told you about. And yeah, you guys, I think it just looks awesome, random stuff, but like I'm just keeping it real. I thought about just organizing this and making it look all pretty for this reveal moment, but then I was like, you know what, that's not real. This is what it is. It gets messy. Little lounge chair, we sprayed this white, and I absolutely love it. I'll try to link as much as I can. I'll be honest though, they don't really sit in this that much. Like they're too busy running around and playing. So yeah, you guys, let me do like a pan over of the backyard in all of its glory. I don't think you've ever even seen like the back of the house, but yeah, this is what it's looking like, you guys. I absolutely love it. You come over here, this is like the adult part over here, right? This is like the adult section over here, and then we put the kids way over yonder. So yeah, you guys, that is the backyard makeover. That is the backyard reveal. Let me know what you think in the comments. I love it. I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to just like sit under the lights, have a romantic moment with Rob. Maybe we'll do that this weekend. I don't know. Woo! But I feel like it was definitely a long process. If you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy videos like this where I do a complete makeover from start to finish, definitely let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. And again, thank you so much to Smart Home for sponsoring today's video. I will have all the information listed and linked down below. Definitely check them out. And yeah, you guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me and my backyard oasis, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.